My name is Manjula and I'm 53 years old. I applied as a student in the University of Law in Birmingham. My program is Master of Science in Strategic Business Management. I came to study advisor in last June, and then I gave my permission to do the process at study advisor. Mr. Dilip is the one I've contacted, and he did a great help, and since then has gone to Mr. Lukman, and then there onwards we have done the process. Within few months they have got the university selected. Then we have applied for the selected universities, and we got two university selectors. Of course, I have selected two universities. Out of that, when I go through the program, I thought that the university law program was most appropriate and suitable for me, so then I choose it. Then we start the process at the University of Law, and we got the permission letters, unconditional letter. Then we did the process afterward, and within few weeks we got the permission to apply CAS. Then we applied for that, and somehow within few weeks everything was done, and I got my visa done. Then I didn't have much time. I had to travel back before 4th of December. Then I had to apply for the dependent visa, which is my wife. And we applied for that visa also. Within no time we got that visa. Within 2 working days we had that visa done. And then we will be flying on the 3rd of December. And if I say about the study advisor, I have found this institution from Facebook link, and I approached, as I mentioned, I came to see Mr. Dilip. Then their onwards, their services was very good, their welcome was very good, and I can recommend to anybody who wants to go to do any studies in abroad. They have a big lineup. There are a variety of countries, there are a variety of programs. They have tailor-made programs for your anything that you need to do there. So just approach study advisor, contact Mr. Dilip, and everything will be all right. But I should specially mention about the process before the visa. Now, Mr. Dilip, Mr. Lukman has done their jobs. Then it comes to the operations manager level to their personal touch, Mrs. Hanisha, and she personally checks each and every document just before the visa with the student, and advises their to remove if there's anything that is not relevant to the visa process. That is one of the things that I have seen in this study advisor. As I mentioned, my daughters also went through an advisory firms, but I have never seen that with them. But this is a very special thing that they are doing. Miss Hanisha checks everything perfectly and advise the student to do the things in then and there. If there is any unnecessary document in that document lot, she advises to remove it, and then we apply for the visa. And this is 100% successful visa rate. I said earlier as well that it's a very good process. So I advise all the students, if you find a way to go to do studies anywhere in the world, please approach study advisor, approach Mr. Dilip. He will take care of you from then and there. And please come and see their welcome, smiling welcome, very friendly atmosphere in the office. You don't have to worry, you don't have to be scared for anything. People are very friendly there, staffs are very friendly, they are always there to help you from once you enter from the door and till you go out of the country. They will look after you. Thank you very much.